There are some sections in maths and subsections that the trick that we have available just makes life so much easier and predictably sets us up for doing well and getting full marks. And this would be one of those. When you've got random non-consecutive terms, my trick is just to default yourself to using letters. As a quick side note, if I was working with arithmetic and I said term 8, you would say a plus 7d. If I said term 15, you'd say a plus 14d. In a geometric, if I said, please give me term 6, you'd say ar to the 5, because it's always n minus 1 in all these examples. And so coming back to the question, if it's a geometric, they've told us this is geometric. If this is geometric and I want term 3, I will say ar to the 2 is 18. If they tell me term 5, I'm immediately going to turn it into ar to the 4 is 162. And so you can either do substitution where you try to get a letter by itself, or in this case, I think it will be easier just to divide the one equation by the other. And when I do that, a divided by a goes away. R4 divided by R2 is just R squared. 162 divided by 18 is just 9. And so when I work out the ratio, I should say plus or minus 3, but I just come back to this little restriction, and they want a negative. So I'm going to err on that option. How do I work out a? I will just sub it in whichever one looks easier. So the first equation looks a bit easier to me. So it will be a r squared over 18. That becomes positive 9. So when I divide 18 by positive 9, I just get 2. And then all that's really left to work out is just the sum of 7 terms. It's geometric, and so I'm going to use the geometric formula. So it's r to the n minus 1 over, in brackets, r minus 1. And when I punch that into my calculator, I end up just getting 1094. And so a question that leaves some of us a bit confused, actually, if I just get into the habit of turning random terms into letters, like the examples I gave you here, it makes these questions so much easier. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.